Hey guys, it's Candy in the Land of Sushi. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you a video I took 3 years ago. It is an unboxing video from when I first bought my very first and only Chanel handbag. The reason why I did not upload the video back then is because I didn't want you guys to get the wrong impression of me. I never intended to brag, especially about the luxury items I have. I don't have a lot. I ended up not uploading the video for that reason. However, I realized lately that most of the videos about luxury handbags I uploaded in my channel are the ones picking up a lot of views. So I finally convinced myself to edit and upload the video because you guys might be interested in it. The video might be helpful, especially to you guys who are planning to buy a Chanel bag here in Japan. Okay, anyway, let's start the video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm gonna do an unboxing video. So today, I finally received this box from Reclo. It's an online shop that resells secondhand bags here in Japan. So excited, you guys. I can't wait to open this box. So let's just open it. I'll just open it right now and see the lovely bag inside. I have here my blade and let's open the box. I hope I don't damage the inside. Since last year, I've always wanted to purchase this bag. My bags. So it's full of this stuff inside. And here is the receipt, the authenticity documents or something. And finally, here's the bag, you guys. So here, actually I wanted to buy the classic 2.55, but it was really expensive. I couldn't afford it, and the prices of Chanel really increase year by year, so it's also a good investment bag, I think. So I decided to go for another classic design that, you know, I can use in any season and in any outfit. So after researching and researching, I finally found the name, and it's called the Timeless single chain flap bag or something like that. So it's here, there. Oh, it's so beautiful, and it's very light. I thought it was bigger, to be honest. I thought it was bigger, but it's not. It's actually small. So here it is. Here it is. There, look at that. Okay, so this bag is a graded B bag. So as you can see, there is like a scratch here, but it's not really that obvious. And the stitches are still really intact. The chain is still really beautiful. I think it was polished. The chain, it's still really nice and shiny. So I think I really made a good purchase, you guys. I am so happy and content with this bag, although I want it to be a little bit bigger, but I think I can fit the camera I use for vlogging. I think I can fit it inside. This is the bag right there and there. It's just a single flap, as you can see, and there is that zipper, and as you can see, there is this tag, the shop where I bought it. And this is like the guarantee tag that it's authentic. It says, "We guarantee this product is genuine." All the bags they have appraised have this tag. So here, there are obviously like leather folds, but it's still really nice. And it's really soft, guys, and it's so light. As you can see, there is that mark right there, which only vintage Chanel bags have. I heard that this mark signifies that the hardware of the bag is gold-plated, so it's much more expensive than the ones produced now, because I think now it's not gold-plated. So here on the flap, there are like scratches. It's not so visible from afar. Okay, so back to the inside of the bag. It's lined with this maroon leather, and there's that serial number inside. There are 2 pockets, and there's one more right here actually. So there's 1, 2 small pocket where I think your lipstick can fit, or my camera battery can fit. Like, let's see, and let's see if it fits. There, it fits perfectly. And there, perfect. I'm loving this bag already. So let's open the zipper. So inside is this authenticity card and with a serial number here. Even the logo embossed here is still perfect. There are no fadings or something. See? I think the previous owner of this bag really took care of the bag. Even the zipper, it's still perfect. It opens and closes smoothly. So there's no back pocket there. I think the drop of this is 109 centimeters if I remember it correctly. I'm petite. I'm really small, guys. So I can crossbody it perfectly. Or like this. Like that. I'm really happy I bought this bag. I thought of it for a year, and after a year I still really want the bag, so that's why I decided to purchase one. It's such a classic piece and it's a good investment bag. Yeah, I hope I gave you like a little bit of information on how to purchase this bag and like the review of the bag itself. Leave down in the comment section if you've tried purchasing a vintage bag. If you're planning to buy one, let me know in the comment section what you think about the bag, if you like it or you don't, or whatever. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye!